Tensions continue to swirl around Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, prompting calls for calm and unity from the Philippine Military Academy Alumni Association. Meanwhile, defense officials stressed that the issue remains strictly a law enforcement matter and will not drag the military into politics. As our Patrick De Jesus narrates the report.
The Philippine Military Academy Alumni Association called on its members to remain calm and non-partisan amid issues involving their fellow Cavalier, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, a member of PMA Sinagtala class of 1986. De la Rosa is currently facing an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court over the bloody war on drugs during his tenure as PNP chief under the administration of former President Rodrigo Duterte, who is currently detained in The Hague, Netherlands. Chaos also erupted in the Senate on Wednesday, while De La Rosa, who was under protective custody, temporarily sought refuge, but he was later reported to have escaped. In a statement signed by PMAAAI Chairman Ricardo David Jr., the organization stressed that differences in perspectives among its members should not affect their respect for one another. David added that the organization's principles anchored on justice, due process, and respect for the rule of law must prevail, while avoiding personal attacks and divisiveness. Before going back into hiding, De La Rosa even resorted to singing in appealing for support from his mistas and fellow PMAers over the ICC arrest warrant he is facing. Meanwhile, Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. believes that active duty soldiers are not affected by the issue and that they are not part of the alleged destabilization efforts against the government. The defense chief added that the senator's issue is a law enforcement matter and has nothing to do with national security.
That probably will influence those that are retired to for political support, but those in the ranks are professionals and this will not affect them. Very clear sa armed forces that they have learned the lessons of improper meddling by the armed forces in politics.
Teodoro also stressed that repeated calls for the military to revolt have no basis.
The use of the Constitution na the armed forces is the protector, it is a gross and misinterpretation of the Constitution. There is no operative procedure for that. It is just a statement that the armed forces must remain apolitical.
Meanwhile, during Teodoro's attendance at the 45th anniversary of the Philippine Army's 5th Infantry Division in Gamu, Isabela, he praised the soldiers' efforts against insurgency, while also reminding them of their duties in terms of external defense, which is now also being prioritized by the government. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.